Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got in my professional nail kit bag. So I'm currently in college doing a level 2 in nail technology. It's a 6 months course and I started in August 2024. So this company is called NSI UK. This is everything that comes in the kit. I know it looks plentiful, but not really. So let's begin. The first thing we have is this gel box. So this is for gel application. You've got the cleanser and the nail plus. The nail plus just dehydrates and cleans. And then the cleanser cleans and removes the dispersion layer on the UV lead or cured nail product. So once you put your hands in the lamp and cure it, you wipe it with this afterwards. You've got the gel top coat and the bond, so I'm guessing this is like a base coat similar to that, or a primer. I've got forms because we're going to learn how to do forms, as well as tips, information leaflet, and there's 8 different gel polishes in here. So you've got to be careful with this not to put it in front of the UV lamp, or even sunlight can cure these. So we've got pink champagne, pretty in pink, brush on white, what else do we have? Rosy glow, sculpture glass, pashmina pink, sculpture French rose, sculpture porcelain. And this is from the gel kit that we're going to be practicing with, and learning gel as well as acrylics. Now this is the acrylic kit. It's the NSI Attraction acrylic system. So it's got everything that a beginner needs. We've got the Dura tip nail tips. And they're these ones that most people practice with when they first start doing nails. So I've got a bag of nail foams, information leaflet, and a bunch of different nail files. We've got nail liquid, which I think another name for this is monomer, if I'm not mistaken. We've got another nail plus, cleanse, dehydrate and protect. So I'm guessing this is used during the nail preparation stage. We've got a dampen dish, a buffer. This is lint-free wipes, Dura tip nail tips in clear, brush cleanser, purify fast acting spray, clean scent. So I'm guessing you use this to clean the hands in the beginning. This is prep and prime, cuticle oil and nail glue. Another set of tips, lots of tips. So we've got the clear, the cream and the white. Then this is NSI Attraction nail powder in rose blush, totally clear, radiant pink, radiant white, Then we've got the smaller tubs, which is sheer pink and soft white. And then purely pink mask and purely pink. And we've got a acrylic nail brush for beginners. Now we've got this bag. This is the case that they provided for students. I don't like this case, so I will be changing it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So on the left side, we have NSI polish remover, hydration hand lotion, because we'll be learning manicures as well as pedicures, cuticle remover, foot files, a nail buffing cream, and then we've got the classic colors that would never go out of style. Clear top coat, classic red nail, a classic soft pink nail. You've got the white, and then a base coat, and I believe these are gel. I might be wrong, but yeah, I would need to check. But these are classic colors that everybody would always ask for when they're getting their nails done. We've got this bowl which allows you to soak off your gel acrylics, your gel or your acrylics or your gel polish at the end of wearing your nails. We've got this kit which helps you to prepare the nails and the feet, fingernails and toenails before any nail system is applied. Then we also have a bunch of different files and buffers, again in the case. I'm guessing this is a cuticle pusher. And we've got the fingernail clip and the toenail clip. Another Klinsky brush, but this one is smaller. I'm guessing this might be used for the gel. I'll find out. Then they've given students this like leaflet, 10% off as a student, 20% off once you graduate. So I think that's a great incentive. They've given us their product guide, and this product guide is got everything you need inside from the company to create nice nails, clean the nails, take the nails off, create nice nail art. It's got everything you need. So it's a great way to get people to come back to their company and keep buying from them. You know, especially when you become a qualified nail tech, you're going to need most of these equipment if you're going to start a small business or a freelance business. So that's what the brochure or the product guide looks like. And that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is what a student nail kit looks like on the inside, what's in my bag. So let me know if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.